How to change Spotify color theme. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to change Spotify color theme. To get things started, head on to your Spotify, and as you can see, I have my Spotify currently up right now with its dark interface, and this is the case whether or not your dark mode is on or off. So if you would take a look at this, my dark mode is currently on, and if I turn it off, and go back to my Spotify, it still has its dark interface. Now, let me show you a little trick on how to change it to day mode. And to do that, we have to go to settings. So let's go to settings. And from settings, you have to scroll down and look for accessibility. Tap accessibility and scroll down and look for per app settings. So tap on per app settings and tap on Add App on this page. Now you have to choose the application you would want to customize, and let's just look up Spotify on the search bar. And as you can see, it's been added on the app customization page. So just tap on Spotify, and as you can see, we have Smart Invert right here. So tap on that and turn it on. Now, let's go ahead and go back to Spotify. And as you can see, we have successfully changed it to day mode. So everything is color white now, basically. But remember that this will not really work if your dark mode is on. So if you can see, when dark mode is on, it goes back to black. But if you turn that one off, it'll go back to the day mode. And that's how easy it is to change a Spotify color theme. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.